Okay, I dug out the fire pit, got myself some dry wood. The rest of the wood's covered, so it's good to go. And we're going to do an experiment. I have all these leftover boating flares that are expired. I'm going to try to start the fire with it. Let's see what happens. Well, there you go. There's the flare in the firewood. I don't know what's going to happen. It's already dying. You would think nice dry wood like that would light right up. Just have to give it a little more time. Okay, I see flame. We're good. One flare, one starting, one fire. A little smoky, I guess, but that's okay. Well, this is a good way to get rid of your old, outdated flares. Use them to make a fire. So there you go. There's something to do with your old flares. Use them to light your campfire. Not sure if you want to do it at a campground, but in your backyard in the snow, who cares?